Different methods are preferred for dental stone cleaning. Many factors, from the size of the tartar to whether the patient has gum disease, affect the method to be preferred. The most preferred among these methods is detration. In order for this method to be performed, the patient must not have advanced gum disease. If the patient's teeth and gum condition is suitable, an ultrasonic device called cavitron is used and the teeth are cleaned of tartar. Cleansing is not a procedure that harms teeth. It is dental stones that actually damage teeth. If dental tartar is not cleaned regularly, it continues to advance into the gums and begins to cause more damage to the tissues that support the tooth. In this case, gingivitis begins to progress towards the tooth root. While healthy gum tissue remains attached to the tooth, tartar accumulated on the root surface begins to separate the gum from the tooth and spaces called pockets are formed around the teeth. The depth of these gaps reaches 3 to 5 millimeters. Curettage is now required to clean these areas. The inflamed gum tissue formed on the root surfaces and inside the gum pocket is cleaned and the gum is re-adhered to the root surface. However, in some patients, the tartar is very dense and in order to clean such dense tartar, the patient must be subjected to local anesthesia. Curettage treatment is a deep cleaning treatment performed to stop the progression of gum diseases. This process is often confused with normal dental scaling. What is done here is not to clean the surface, but the 3 to 5 millimeters deep infection that has started to progress towards the root of the tooth. Curettage is generally applied to patients who come with complaints of swelling or bleeding in the gums, who do not receive early treatment for these symptoms, and who have neglected dental health and oral care for a long time. Therefore, instead of detration, which is a simpler procedure, curettage, which is a slightly more complicated treatment, is performed. This video is for informational purposes only. We would like to emphasize the importance of consulting with your dentist to determine which treatment is most suitable for you. If you find our videos informative, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you healthy days.